7 minutes left on the drying. Water here, down, you can see the water, more water, more water, and it drips, runs down, see the water running down, and drips on the floor. Pulled the dishwasher out. This is all wet up here. The blanket inside here is all wet. And that's where the water is coming out of. I don't know if you can see the steam or smoke coming out. Blanket's wet on this side too. It's really wet down here. And then up on top. Still 5 minutes to go. Wet along the control panel. If I open it, you can see it's dry along here, so it's not the seal leaking because it's dry all along here. It's just wet out and around here.